Hi, it's Mona here. Today I am gonna play with this adorable teacup and stitched teapot dies to make a lovely and adorable card. I already created a few die cuts to save a little time, and now I will put them together with some adhesive. The brown cardstock is made with tea bag cardstock, and for this one, what I am turning, I have used the Spiffy Speckles petite paper pack. For the teacup, I created green tea, or if we want, we can say it's a matcha. And adhering to the base. And I am adhering this adorable stitched teacup as well to its right place. And before I am putting it together, I am going to make a quick blending on the bases of the pieces. I am gonna make a quick blending on the die cut pieces. For this I am using only a normal copy paper as a base, and I am just adding a bit ombre effect to this lovely teapot, just here. I also want to give a bit blush to it. For that I am going to use only Spun Sugar Distress Oxide ink. The first one is shaded lilac. And I am just putting it to its right place under the eyes. How lovely! For this little teacup I am using Warne Lipstick Distress Oxide ink as a blush. Okay. If it's too much, then it's too much. Nobody will know how you blend it. After the die cutting, I can continue to put together the die cut and layer it with the prepared pieces. I am adding a few details with white jelly roll pen. Also white highlights here and there where I think. I am not overthinking it. Just adding where I feel I need to add something. The teapot is done. It just needs a bit more adhesive, as I see. I created circle die cuts with this little piece of die, which is the center of this flower, but I am gonna use it as an eye, covering the eyes. And I am also covering this part over here, like here with the teapot. Okay, and now I am creating sparkle eyes to the teacup as well. How lovely! I am also adding a few details here to the teapot and the teacup as well. This is a sugar cube, so lovely. And I also added this lovely tea filter, and I am just adding here 3D foam squares to give a bit dimension to this. Aren't they adorable? I have also created these lovely daisies. The larger die cut piece you can find in this set, which is the stitch teapot. And the smaller one you can find in the stitch teacup, and the centers as well. And now I'm just checking how it looks like if I am pairing together, because I have more opportunities. I can use it like this, or I can mix it like this, and with the smaller one do the same. I think I like daisies like this, so I am going now layer them. Now the daisies are done. These are the lemons, but I have created this adorable Zesty lemon set, and I am going to create a bit blending on it as well to make a bit dimension to it. First I am starting with mustard seed, distress oxide ink. Again, I am not overthinking, just putting it where I think. And I am doing the same like previously, adhering the layering parts together. I don't need these white pieces, so I just push away and adhering this white part to the yellow circle. I'm centering it a bit, and when it's done I am pushing it down well. Just a few dots of adhesive to the centers of this part. I will place them to their right place like this. With a pick-me-up tool. I really love this die, this fruit one. I I loved the strawberry dice as well, and this one is just perfection. I am gonna add a few highlights like previously, just a bit dots and lines. I really like these stripes inside these triangles. It really looks like a lemon. And I am adding these dots because I want to make them a bit more realistic. Oh, and the leaves. For the leaves, I am using cracked pistachio, distress oxide ink, and just blending it like that. Just the edges to have this duochrome effect or duocolor effect. It looks really cool. Again, I have used textured cardstock from the green pack, and maybe on the video it's hard to see, but in real life it gives amazing touch to the card. Once I have the blending, if I can call this blending, I am adding white highlights again, just a stripe, but it gives a cool touch to it, a bit more 3D look. Now the teacup and the teapot, the lemon, the daisies and the leaves are done. And now it's time to create the background and the sentiment. So I am gonna use these dies, the polka dots die and the stitched alphabets as well. Here are the letters and the background. Here I have used the mermaid cardstock, and for the letters I think I have used the speckled eggshell. Yes, I have used the speckled eggshell cardstock. Now it's time to put together the card. This is one of my favorite backdrop dies. The second one is the quilted backdrop die. And I am really curious which one lawnfawn backdrop die is your favorite one. If you want, you can tell in your comment. And now my favorite part, it's time to put together the card base. I know that you like to see this process, so I will speed it up and left it here. Hopefully you will like it. And this is the cute finished card. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a nice day.